Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace purge valve, guys. Purge valve on BMW E46. David will demonstrate how to do that. It should work on the 3 Series, guys, from year 1998 to year 2006. We'll guys have the codes listed, okay, in the description of the video below as well that are related to purge valve. I think the codes were like P0443 and P0444. Also, guys, in addition, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car because our mission, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. So please, guys, hit that subscribe button, like the video and leave a comment below. Let us know if the video was helpful. So let's start on it now. So in order to access the purge valve on that 3 Series, guys, we'll need to remove the air filter box, the whole assembly. So let me show you guys, okay, what we'll be doing. 2 10mm bolts here. Just get those loose and remove both of them. Okay, perfect. Now, let me show you. We need to come on this side, okay, towards the back. Okay, right here, you can see you have 2 clips that you need to open. You might need to use the screwdriver, okay, to pop them, like that. One here, one on this side. Later, okay, you can grab, this is your mass airflow sensor, and pull it out, but let me show you how we'll get the box out now. So I lifted this one up. Don't lift too much because you can break your hose, and that's a super weak spot, and I'm going to show you that in just a second. Get this one out here. Okay, we're going to lift it up now, and the whole box assembly come out. Now let me show you something, guys. These hoses are a super weak spot on BMW E46. We replaced ours about a year and a half ago, and on the bottom we have a hole, okay, right there. So that causes vacuum leak, guys. Now let me show you, okay, where the purge valve is located. Looking that way, why we had to remove the box, because this is, guys, your purge valve right here, and it has 1 wire and 2 hoses. One of the hoses is coming from the tank. This is the one that brings the vapors to the purge valve, and from the purge valve there is a hose that goes to the intake manifold. Here we'll disconnect the wire, okay, by pressing down, okay, on that, okay, I'm trying to focus here, okay, we need to press down on the spring and pull it out. Okay, we already did that. Now we need to go ahead and disconnect okay, the hoses for our purge valve. So what I'll do, I'll just grab it right here and pull it out of the bracket, okay, like that. Now I need to go ahead and disconnect the hoses. So we'll have one person hold the camera here, okay, like that, while I'm trying to do that now. Okay, it's a little bit of limited room, so okay, let me see if I can. Okay, one is disconnected. This hose right here, you press on the 2 things on the side like that, wiggle it out, there is a seal, and pull it out, guys. Okay, and this is the second hose. You just twist it and pull it out. And this is, guys, your purge valve. Okay, that's how you guys remove it. Replacement is exactly in reverse order that we took it apart. We have a video how to test that one as well, guys, and it will be the new purge valve, and where you can buy it from for a really good price will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So make sure, guys, you check it out. So this is it, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit that. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.